Sunlight bathes the cozy apartment as David types, his fingers dancing across the keyboard, lost in his work. Nearby, Meow Meow, a fluffy tabby cat, sleeps peacefully in an armchair, a picture of feline serenity. David pauses, his gaze softening as he looks at Meow Meow, a gentle smile gracing his lips. He reaches out, his touch feather-light, and strokes Meow Meow's fur, a silent, tender moment shared. Bathed in lamplight, David sits at his desk, unaware of the impending chaos about to erupt. A deafening bang shatters the quiet night, jolting David from his peaceful work. The door bursts open, a shadowy figure silhouetted, filling the doorway with menace. Meow Meow, startled, arches her back, transforming into a tiny, furious protector. Her eyes gleam with fierce determination as she positions herself between David and danger. Books and papers scatter, mirroring the sudden disruption of their once peaceful life. In the apartment, Meow Meow leaps, a furry missile of defiance, distracting the intruder with unexpected ferocity. Taken aback, the intruder stumbles, his eyes widening as the cat's claws reach for him. The distant wail of police sirens pierces the night, growing louder as they rush towards the scene. Panic sets in, and the intruder makes a hasty retreat, his shadow disappearing into the night. Meow Meow returns to David, purring loudly, a true hero, celebrated in gentle nuzzles and gratitude.